Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Esmula Bartender Kit with a stylish bamboo stand that includes 12 essential pieces for mixing cocktails like a pro. This set features a 25-ounce shaker, double jigger, strainer, ice tongs, muddler, spoon, liquor pourers, bottle stoppers, wine opener, and even a cocktail recipes booklet to get you started. The stainless steel tools are polished to prevent rust and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The unique semicircular bamboo stand keeps your bar area organized and looking great, whether at home or at a party. Whether you're mixing a classic mojito, margarita, or something more adventurous, this kit has everything you need. Its sleek mirror finish and bamboo design also make it a perfect gift for any cocktail enthusiast. Get ready to impress your guests with delicious drinks and stylish bar tools. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.